Hi everyone and welcome back to another Temu unboxing, and this is the unboxing that I've been teasing you about, and we're going to try and get into this as best we can. I am filming on the day that I had a tooth ripped out, so I'm forcing myself to do this at the moment, so which is probably not a good idea, but I want to get in the package. So in here I've got a few different things. And we're going to get into there very soon, and I'm really excited to. I've got some washi tape that I'm going to be using on this. We got all sorts in here. Oh, please don't say I've just cut through that. Oh sugar, I think I've just stabbed the paint in. Oh man, oh crap. That's the thing in here, you never know where to look, but I'm gonna forget that idea. Okay, so the first thing that I got in here was this, and I've been looking at these, and what you do is with your diamond painting pen, these little rollers sit in the top of your pen. So if you've got a pen where you've got a single placer and a multi-placer, you can put one of these in the top of it, and then as you're painting, you can turn it upside down and then roll it down to make sure that it's all lovely and rolled down. So I've got one of them. They do sell them with the pens as well, but I thought I'd just get the lid because I don't really need any more pens. Okay, and next I got this. Oh, very nice. Oh wow, so this has been taped and bent up. Lovely, very nice. So what the hell, that's gonna have to go back. I'm not having that. That's terrible. I don't know whether it's Temu or Customs, but they just don't care about people's products. Like, this is a painting, you can't bend it. Seriously. That's going to have to probably go back now, unless I can straighten it, but... Oh, that's not good. That is not good. You know. I know they like to keep costs down with postage and that, but really, look at it. That is not good. Really? Oh man, this is going to be... Oh no. Look at it. It's proper bent up. Oh, I'm not happy with that. That's terrible. But I might be able to flatten it somehow. But still, it shouldn't be bent. That should not be bent. Now, I might be able to flatten it. But this is a 30x30 and is a 1 to 15... 1 to 15... symbol, and I thought I've got to have these really cute little penguins, but I reckon I can salvage it. I mean, obviously there's creases like hell in this, but apparently Liz Harrison was saying that you can iron them, so we might be able to do something, but all it needs is, I don't really want to send it back, because otherwise I'll have to get a refund, and then wait for the refund to then reorder it, so I don't really want to reorder this, so I'll try and salvage it as best I can. But that is that. 3 little cute penguins. It's a full drill. And we've got ourselves a little boat here. So really good. And we've got to get into the drills. I'm sure I saw a crystal in this, but I don't know. I'll have to have a look. So let's get into here. And in here we have our standard drills. So you've got dark blue, sort of light blue, a black, a mid blue. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Then we've got a white one, and then a mocha chocolate, I would say. Another sort of brownie chocolate colour. Lots of greys. Oh wow, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shades of grey there. And then in here we've got a black, and we've also got ourselves another grey there. So that's that. The next thing that I got in here was, I'm going to show the Halloween pumpkin painting, but I think I've accidentally snipped it there as I was getting it out. It should be okay, it's just the border, which I will just cut off anyway, but this is a 20x20, and yeah, so looking at that, it's not pierced it through there. All that's done is as I've cut it open, it's snipped the border, but I'll probably cut that off anyway. So in here, I just could not say no to this. I was debating, and look, it's a little Scotty dog. So Liz Harrison will love this. Really gorgeous. It's come up a little bit lighter than I expected. I mean, also down here, you can see there's detail on the pumpkin here, but let's get that down a bit. There's a little bit of detail, but it's a little bit blurry. But I've got some perfect Halloween tape for that. I can't wait to do it. It's a really clear crystal print. You've got 15 colours in that one, so really, really good. I'm going to get that raised up a bit. And then you've got a standard boat. And we've also got the jewels here. I've got to be honest, I'm really annoyed with the way they've packed that, because, you know, it's hard to establish who's doing it. Is it customs or is it Temu? Because out of all the packages I've had so far, Temu don't normally bend them up. So I've got a feeling customs open it and repackage it and they're just like, yeah, I'll do that. But I'm disappointed because obviously I shouldn't have to, you know, I'm paying you money for a product. You know, where's the quality control in this? But as I said, I don't think it's Temu's fault. I think it's customs can't be bothered to repack the package. But anyway, so that's the white one. We've got a brown one, a purpley colour, blue, dark brown, orange, and a beige. Did anyone notice with Temu, you can't contact them no more on email? Every time you contact them by email, they say you've got to go through live chat. So I don't know what that's about. And then we've got an orange, a peach, a brownie colour, an orange, and a red, dark blue, brown, orange, peachy colour, and hot pink. I think that is it hot pink? I don't know. But it's one of them KA558 symbols, so that's really good. So I'll put that over to there. And then I think I've got one more thing in here, yeah. So, as you know, I love these little storage boxes. I've used these for many, many years. And every so often I need to replace them. And I did stop buying these for a while, but I bring them back because one, they're great for like putting my screws in for my builds that I build. And two, a lot of them, as you wash them, the lids will come off and they get a bit battered up, but they're really great storage containers. So I've got a brand new one for them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a kitting up video, probably later on in the week. I don't know when yet, but it would have to be like a short painting. So for example, this one's got 1 to 15 colours. We can fit 15 in there easy because obviously we've only got 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 21, 27 slots. So we've got to be careful on whether we can fit a whole painting in there, because I'd rather do a whole painting in one video as a kit up rather than half and half, you know. So yeah, so that's our unboxing. As I said, we've also got the penguin and we've got this little thingamajig, this little rolly thing. So as I said, when you've done your drills, you can just go over in it, and the purpose of it is to just sort of flatten them on the thing. So yeah, I'm sorry that this painting has been screwed up. I mean, I could, if I wanted to, return it for a refund and then just hope and pray and order it again, but the chances are they're going to scrunch it up again. But I know a few creators that have had the same problem. So yeah, I'm not happy with the way that's screwed up, because, you know, these are paintings and, you know, it's going to cause wrinkles like hell in it. So I'm undecided on whether what I want to do with that yet, because it's too good of a painting to go. Whether we can, you know, iron it out, I don't know. If anyone knows how to straighten them, and just let me know. But anyway, I hope you liked that video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. There's more Temu hauls coming up soon. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Sorry, the battery don't want to end. Camera don't want to end. So, yeah, catch you later, guys. Bye-bye.